How to set your Fortnite party to invite only. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can set your party jointability to invite only in Fortnite. So in order to configure this, you can simply follow these easy steps. So, in order to set your party jointability to invite only, you will need to simply click onto your profile picture. And once you will click onto your profile picture, you will again see a PFP right here. Click onto this again, and from here you can see the party jointability option. So click onto this joinable, and instead of joinable, click on to the invite only. And now your party jointability has been successfully set to invite only. So this is a privacy setting in Fortnite that requires players to be specifically invited or have their join request approved by the party leader to enter that particular party. So it ensures that only desired players can join your gaming session. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.